Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the wallpaper on your Lefun Health Smartwatch. The first step is to connect your smartwatch to your phone. Scan the QR code on the smartwatch to make sure that the watch is using the Lefun Health application. If your smartwatch is using any other application, you can find videos on my channel on how to connect for these applications. Install the Lefun Health application from your App Store or Play Store. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your smartphone and make sure that your smartphone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. You will need to enter an email address to access the application. You will then receive a code to enter in the app. As you can see, the watch has been successfully connected to my phone and the time and date have been updated. Now, follow the steps shown in the video to set the wallpaper on your smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.